Jen Scabula asks, can I file my I-130 first and file for the work permit after? The work permit could only be filed once you file for I-485. So I-130 is completely unrelated to the work permit and does not lead to a work permit by itself. So you can file your I-130 whenever you want. It's when you file your adjustment of status from I-485 is when you could file a work permit request. And it doesn't make sense for you not to file it with it. I mean, I don't know a scenario would. I can't say I guarantee 100%. But yeah, when you file for adjustment of status, you generally want to file for work permit too. There's some nuanced cases you might not want to because you've had a previous work permit. It goes into some technicalities. This is just general education, so I'm not going to jump into that rabbit hole, jump down that rabbit hole. But yeah, your question, Jen, is kind of off because you can't get a work permit based on I-130. They're completely unrelated. So there might be more to it, what your question is, so we'll see what's happening about that. Just in general, the immigration situation is complicated because listen, you want to file for a green card in the United States, you got to file I-130, maybe I-130A, I-485, I-131, I-765, I-864, I-944. You might want to throw in a G-1145 there to get you get communications. You might have a the credit card application. I don't pay immigration fees by credit card. I've had those not go through in mistakes by USCIS, so I always send a check. But there's just so many forms. You might have 245I, you need I-485A, you might be employment based, and I-485J, which is I-140 based. Yeah, as you can see, these numbers are jumping around the place. So that's what makes it really hard to be answered these kind of things without having a full sit down. But if you are doing a family-based case, especially marriage case, the Ultimate Marriage Green Card Guide has a good breakdown of how these forms go together and work together. Even if you're not doing a marriage case, if you're doing a family case in general, the Ultimate Marriage Green Card Guide at marriageimmigrationlaw.com should be able to answer and guide you in a lot of these things as to how it all works. So that's immigration in a nutshell. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.